Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making delicious buttery and eggless almond flour cookies. Perfect for any occasion and super easy to make. So first take some room temperature butter and cream it. Add some lemon zest. Once it becomes fluffy, add some powdered sugar and blend it till it becomes smooth and creamy. Don't forget to scrape the sides in between. Now into that sift some almond flour. And that's it. These are the only 3 ingredients needed for this delicious cookie. Mix it really well. Once everything is well mixed in, transfer this cookie dough into a piping bag. Attach any nozzle of your choice and start piping cookies. After piping, keep them refrigerated for 1 hour. Then bake it at 180-degree preheated oven for around 10 to 15 minutes. Allow it to cool down in the baking tray itself for 5 to 10 minutes. And there you have it. Delicious crispy almond flour cookies are ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.